Israel, and I'm the pastor of Full Life Baptist Fellowship. And right now I'm outside of Region 1 Hospital Medical Center. This is the site where we will going to have our next Pasalab or Servolution. And this is, we have done this before, but we're going back because the last time we just served outside, and this time we're going to serve inside the hospital. We're going to feed the staff, the patient, the watchers, and all the other people that we can see. We're doing this because we believe that the church should go to the people, and we believe that the church should take active part in caring for their community. So on July 23, we're going to be here, and we just want to ask for your prayers and ask also for your support if you can, and we'll just see what will happen. This is going to be one great day for us.
Nandito po ako ngayon sa Region 1 Hospital. Sa karantong February ay galing na kami dito at kami po ay nagpakain ng mga tao sa labas ng arroz caldo. Pero ngayong time na to, babalik po kami dito muli. Magpapakain po kami muli ng arroz caldo. Pero dito naman po sa loob namin gaganapin. At papakain po namin lahat po ng pasyente dito po sa loob. Kasama po yung mga watchers po nila, mga nurses. At sa gabi po ay lalabas po kami. So ang ipapakain po namin ay aabot po ng halos 1,000 po na mahigit ipapakain po namin by this time.
Dito po kami sa 3rd floor ng Pedja Ward ng Region 1 kung saan dito po namin gaganapin yung pagpapakain sa July 23. Nalaman po namin na may 4 na wards ang Region 1. Ito yung mga OB ward, surgical, Pedja, and medical ward. Hindi lang po pasyente ang aming papakainin sa araw na yun, kundi mga bantay at yung mga staffs ng hospital na ito. At hindi lang dito sa loob ng hospital yung target namin, kundi pati sa labas, yung mga taong naghihintay tuwing gabi.
Ako po si Orville at ang event po na ito ay in collaboration with other churches like Dagupan Baptist Church, Gospel of Christ Fellowship ng Dagupan at saka Santa Barbara, and also Master's Commission Pangasinan. At marami pong attend sa event po na ito at exciting po siya dahil hindi lang po Full Life Baptist Fellowship ngayon ang involved. Unlike noong first time po namin pumunta sa hospital na to, ngayon ay makakasama po namin ang iba't ibang churches.